Hey guys, this is Victor with DIY Time Tech channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust tension on Ergotron computer wall mount. This mount wasn't able to carry the load of the keyboard tray and the monitor, and it kept going down when trying to adjust the height. It took me a while to figure this out, and that's why I decided to make this video, because it's a little bit tricky to adjust the tension on this particular model of the wall mount. So here's the location of the adjustment bolt for the tensioner. You'll need to move the monitor out of the way and then raise the arm to about 40 degrees to get the straight access to the adjustment bolt. Next, you'll need a wrench with 3-inch extension and 8mm socket. Turn the adjustment bolt clockwise 1 or 2 full rotations at a time, and then check if the wall mount is holding up well. Alright, it's looking good, the wall mount is staying in place now. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate that. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.